Disclaimer: the content on this website, including, without limitation, news, videos, interviews and commentaries, is provided by Kitco Metals Incorporated. Kitco for informational purposes only, and is not intended as any form of advice, whether legal, accounting, investment, financial or tax advice. Therefore, it cannot be relied upon as such. Should you require such advice, contact a licensed professional. The content provided herein is provided on an as-is basis without any warranty of any kind, whether express or implied, and your use of the information provided in said content is entirely at your own risk. In no event will Kitco be held liable for any indirect, special, incidental, or consequential damages arising out of the use of the content on this website.